How to delete recently played on Spotify. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your recently played songs on Spotify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Spotify app. Scroll down a little bit and you will find your recently played songs. If you go to the Spotify settings, in the social section, you will find private session and listening activity options, but not the delete, clear or hide recently played songs option. You won't find the delete recently played songs option if you open your Spotify in the desktop web version. Even in the desktop app, there is no option to clear recently played songs. In the phone app, web version and desktop app, I couldn't find it. So that means as of right now, there is no option to clear recently played songs, but Spotify may add it soon. The only option to delete recently played songs is to create a new account on Spotify. So that was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.